Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally, today I am back with another video on the OnePlus 8T device, and this is the unboxing of the OnePlus 8T smartphone. So yes friends, finally I got the OnePlus 8T mobile phone in my studio, and now I'll be doing so many videos on the OnePlus 8T for the next couple of days. So make sure to comment below what are the videos you are interested on these mobile phones. So I do have the OnePlus Nord and the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. For the comparison, I'll do a lot of videos as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to comment below what are the things you want me to test on the OnePlus 8. The OnePlus 8T has a very good specifications, so which I'll be going through right now. As you can see, within very short days I'll try to upload so many videos on the OnePlus 8T, so you'll get a clear idea whether to buy the OnePlus 8T or not. So don't forget to subscribe and comment below what test you want me to do on this OnePlus 8T device. So let's get started with this unboxing experience. And one thing is that quickly, I did notice the box size is of quite tall and lengthy, so not with the normal boxing types. So this is a normal box, which is a POCO F2 Pro box, so you can see the difference. So it's kind of tall and slim as well, so that is a quick experience in terms of the boxing. And this is the first time I'm seeing this kind of box as well, the OnePlus 8T smartphone. And in case if you want to know what live wallpapers I'm using here, all of these smartphones, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. And here is a smartphone friends, OnePlus 8T device. And quickly let me go to the specifications while I'm unboxing this phone. So first is this phone has 6.5 inches, so let me try to switch on the mobile phone. And 6.5 inches and 120 Hz fluid AMOLED display panel, so which is very good. So 6.55 inches and 120 Hz refresh rate and fluid AMOLED, that's a very good experience, because I did use the IPS LCD panels with the 120 Hz. That is the POCO X3 device. This is a POCO X3, so which has the 120 Hz but the IPS LCD panel. But the OnePlus 8T will be the 120 Hz with a fluid AMOLED panel, so this should be quite different. And next is the Snapdragon 865 processor. And next we do have the fast charging of 65 watt fast charging. That's a very good advantage. 4500 mAh of battery, and the phone weight is only 188 grams, so that's a very low weight in terms of the phone as well. That's a very good experience while using this kind of 6.5 inches screen factor. And is a quick case which we do get within this kind of box, but it's not that kind of a strong protective case. So let me show you the strong case which is present in the POCO F2 Pro. So it is a POCO F2 Pro case, so which is very strong and steady as well, which doesn't flex. So I like this kind of strong cases. But the OnePlus 8T has only normal type case, and it is a cable which you do get. And next is that let me try to open here. And finally here is the charger, which is of 65 watt fast charging. So one thing quickly I did notice is that the weight of the charger is you can feel actually the weight as well. That's one thing. So I'll try to do the charging test comparison with the OnePlus Nord, which has the 30T wrap charging as well, in 30 watts fast charging in the OnePlus T. So I'll try to compare the fast charging from the OnePlus Nord versus OnePlus 8T as well. So it's a quick unboxing, and you do have case, charger, and nothing else in the box. So everything is simple and neat. So this is the overall package friends, and you do have some kind of instructions, I think. So there should be some kind of logo maybe. Let me try to see. So yes, there is some kind of OnePlus 8T stickers as well. That's a very good advantage. So you can stick backside of the mobile phone if you want. So this is a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 8T smartphone. So I did startup of this 8T as well. So let me try to take out this plastic of this OnePlus 8T. So for the next few days I will be using the OnePlus 8T mobile friends finally. So it is a very good experience, this OnePlus 8T, which is very good. So as you can see, this is the color which I have selected, so silver color, so which is also pretty good. So right now I'll try to do the plenty of camera comparisons with the other smartphones. And even I do have the POCO F2 Pro as well, which is a Snapdragon 65 processor. So I'll try to do the comparison between the performance and speed test between the POCO F2 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T, and so many other comparisons videos are gonna come in the next couple of days. So stay tuned by subscribing, and also don't forget to comment below what are the different videos you want me to do on the OnePlus 8T device. And thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for more updates. And my more interested thing is that fast charging and the 120 Hz with the AMOLED panel. So these are the two things which I'm very new right now in the OnePlus 8T device. I'll update you on these things after using for a couple of days. And stay tuned meanwhile friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye. I forgot to say, finally the variant which I am using is the 8GB variant and 128GB model. So Snapdragon 865, 120Hz Fluid Touch. So these are the quick specifications, and that's it friends. Bye.